Hello friends, my name is Dr. Sunil Kumar Jatav. Or today I am going to present some important ore of the iron which has the uh, chemical symbol is Fe and their extractions and purifications method. So you are welcome in my YouTube channel Meta Engineering. So let's start with field metallurgy. Iron. Iron is the very important very important metal, and with the by using the iron we can make the different type of the steels, and iron is useful to make the steel, and iron in our life play the very important role because iron is used in the different applications like bridge buildings, and some structures, and table, kursi, gate, roof, and in different there have the different applications of the iron, and this is the very important metal in our life. So here I am not going to discuss the more about the iron, but here I am going to discuss the melting point, some melting point and boiling point, ores, and the which process are used for in the extractions of iron and to making the different type to making the steels and different product of iron. So melting point of iron is 1539 degrees centigrade. 1539 degrees centigrade is the melting point. If you want to melt the iron, so we have to increase the temperature greater than the 1539 degrees centigrade. And if you want to boil the iron, so the temperature we have to increase greater than the 2862 degrees centigrade. So the ores of the iron, the ore of irons are the different ores are the found for the iron from which we can extract the iron by using the carbothermic reduction. So magnetite is the ore of the iron which has the chemical formula Fe3O4. It contains the percentage of iron 72.4%. And second important ore of iron is hematites, which are generally used to generally used in the extractions of the iron in the blast furnace. So 69.9% concentration of iron is contained by the Fe2O3, and third one is geothite. This is also the important of iron. Limonite and siderite are also the ore of the iron. So these are the ore which are very important in the which are the very important for the extracting of the iron. So there have the different process from which the steel are produced or other form of irons are produced. So very important process is the blast furnace process, in which iron ore is converted into the pig iron. So the pig iron is used to making the steel, and to make the cast irons. This to make the cast iron, that that pig iron is produced by using the carbothermic process. So this generally Fe2O3 is reduced by using the carbon. So there have two types of reductions can be done to produce the iron. So in the DRI process, the iron ore is directly reduced into the iron, that is called the sponge iron. And in the blast furnace, the indirect reductions of iron is occur by using the carbon monoxides. The pig iron is converted to the cast iron by using the cupola furnace. So the cupola furnace is generally used to make the cast iron. The pig iron is converted into the wrought iron using the puddling furnaces. And cast the pig iron is used in the different steel making process to produce the steel. These process are the Bessemer converter process. Bessemer convert process is the first process. by using the by using this process we produce the steel. So there have the two type of converter: acid converter process and basic converter process. In the acid converter process we can and we produce the steel, but we can only remove the impurities, carbon, silicon and manganese in this process. Phosphorus and sulfur cannot be removed in this process. So basic Bessemer process is used to reduce the sulfur and phosphorus. In the open hearth process is also used for steel making, that is used after the Bessemer converter. Then electric arc furnaces can be used to make the different alloys or different alloy of the steels. And basic oxygen furnace is the very modern techniques. After that caldo process is the process where I have the some changes in the LD process. So these are the process which are very important to produce the steel, wrought iron, cast iron, and pig iron. I hope you will get the very important knowledge by this video. So please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. If you want to uh, if you want to get the more knowledge, then you have to follow these books. And thank you.